If you want to grow on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, make sure you watch this video till the end. Torch-style short videos are trending everywhere right now, and you've definitely seen them on YouTube or Instagram before. There's an Instagram creator who uploaded just 43 videos and grew to 214,000 followers, with almost every video crossing millions of views. If he can do it, there's no reason we can't. The best part is that making these videos is actually very simple. You just need to understand the process. You can upload the same videos on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook and build a strong following. And as you already know, followers eventually turn into money. So if you want to learn how to create these videos, don't skip any part of this tutorial. First, we need character images, and for that, you can use Google Images. Just search for the character you want. For example, I'm choosing the different cartoon characters. Choose an image you like and download it. Make sure the image is cropped in a 9.16 format before using it in a video. You can use any character you want, whether it's a movie actor, a cartoon character, or even images of yourself or your friends. After that, we convert these images into AI-generated visuals using the Google Gemini app. Open Gemini, tap on Create Image, upload your cropped image, paste this prompt, and click on Generate. I'll share the links to all these prompts in the description, so you can easily copy them from there and use them yourself. In a few seconds, your AI image will be ready. Just save it. Now upload the second image, paste the same prompt, and hit Enter. Wait for a moment. And there you go. Your second image is generated. Save it as well. Repeat the same process to generate all images one by one. I'll generate all the images too and meet you again in a moment. All right, I've generated all the images. Now it's time to convert these images into videos. For that, open Chrome and search for Flow. Click on the first website that appears. Once the site opens, click on Create with Flow and log in using any Gmail account. After logging in, click Next, scroll down on the privacy policy page and click Continue. No need to worry about it. Here's an important thing to know. Each Gmail account gives you around 280 credits, which is enough to create about 3 to 4 videos, so there's no need to buy any subscription. Now click on New Project. You'll see an interface like this. Select Text to Video, then choose Frames to Video. On the right side, set the aspect ratio to Portrait and select Prompt 1 in the output options so that only 20 credits are used per video. Click the first plus icon, upload the image you generated in Gemini. Agree to the notice, select the image, click Done, and then crop it. After it uploads, click the plus icon again and upload the second image. Now paste the video prompt. You'll find both the image and video prompts in the description of this video, so copy them and save them in your notes. Hit send and wait for about 1 to 2 minutes. Your video will be generated. Download it. Now repeat the same process. Upload the second image as the first frame, paste the prompt, send it, and wait. Your second video will be ready. Continue this scene-by-scene process for all images. I'm stopping here to keep the video short, but you can easily do the rest yourself. Finally, once all images are converted into videos, it's time for editing. Finally, once all images are converted into videos, it's time for editing. I use CapCut, but you can use any editor you like. Open CapCut and import all the clips. After that, drag the clips one by one in the correct sequence. Optionally add background music to enhance the video.
Make sure to decrease the music volume so it won't affect the video sound.
And when everything looks ready, simply export it. Watch the final result and don't forget to comment and tell me how it looks.